Lego Harry Potter, Diagon Alley Wizarding Shops, set number 76444. This set is a micro-scale version of the larger minifig scale Diagon Alley set, but with a larger scope and smaller price tag. LEGO has been talking about introducing paper bags for a long time now, and I finally received my first paper bag. Unfortunately, there was only one, and it held the 5 instruction booklets. I honestly prefer the cardboard booklet holders over the paper bag one. For being such a small scale, this set packs in a surprising amount of detail. Each shop has its own distinct feel and style, both inside and out. There are a total of 16 wizarding shops as part of this set. The Leaky Cauldron, the Magical Menagerie, Madame Malkin's robes for all occasions, quality Quidditch supplies, Elop's Owl Emporium, Slug and Jigger's Apothecary, Mr. Molepepper's Apothecary, Potage's Cauldron Shop, Gringotts Bank, Borgin and Burke's, Scribulous Writing Implements, Ollivander's Wand Shop, Wiseacre's Wizarding Equipment, Florian Fortescue's Ice Cream Parlor, Flourish and Blots, Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. There are also several wonderfully printed microscale Harry Potter characters that can be placed around the alley. This set is incredibly versatile in the way it can be displayed. It can be set up as a centerpiece, placed on its own shelf, or on a fireplace mantle. The 2 rows of shops can be attached sideways to form an actual alleyway that saves space and allows you to see the details inside some of the shops. The display can even be easily split into 5 different sections, and you can place them on several different shelves. Unfortunately, the set cannot be moved as a single unit. The connection points are not strong enough to support the weight of each section, so you must use care when moving the display around. This is the first time I've seen printed window panes, and they do not disappoint. The printed clear windows look great, and just add that much more magical detail to the wizarding shops. Perhaps my favorite aspect of this set is that it feels like the perfect set for new mock builders who want to learn how to build at a micro level. There are so many interesting techniques used to form each shop's unique facade, techniques that can be used when creating a unique city of your own. In fact, there are 3 different staircase builds, and each one was interesting in its own way. Clever usage of common small LEGO parts leads to some incredible detail on a very small scale. I had so much fun with this build, and now I'm a huge fan of these micro scale scenes, even if it was a little hard on my delicate fingertips. The fair price point, small size, fun building experience, and versatile display ability make this set a must-buy for any Harry Potter fan that has a limited amount of shelf space.